Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Jenkins on Azure Ubuntu Virtual Machine. First create Ubuntu Virtual Machine, then install Jenkins. If you have already Ubuntu Azure Virtual Machine, you can directly go to the installation step that is there in video description. Connect to Azure portal, then search for virtual machines. See here we have the virtual machines. Click on create, then select Azure Virtual Machine. Then select the subscription, then select the resource group, then provide the, if you don't have any resource groups, you can create it. Then provide the name for the virtual machine, UB Jenkins. Then select the region. Based on the region, the cost will be changed. Suppose if you select US South Central, see cost will be increased. East US, cost will be decreased. So based on the region also, estimated monthly cost will be changed. Availability options. No infrastructure redundancy required. Availability zone, virtual machine scale set or availability set. I am going with availability zone. Then select the zone. See, we have 3 zones, so I am going to select only one. Then security type standard. Then select the image. Image means whether it's Ubuntu, RHL, CentOS or etc. Click on see all images. Install the latest Ubuntu machine. So select Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Select Ubuntu 24. See, for Ubuntu machine cost is less. Okay, for Windows it is high. If you select to see, okay, so select it. Architecture x86. Select the size. See, 2 CPUs and 4 gigabytes. If you want to select other, you have to click on all sizes and you have to select. I am okay with the 2 CPUs and 4 gigabytes memory. This is not the actual cost. It is estimated cost per month. Then administrator account, I'm going with password, then provide the password, username, demo user, then provide the password for this user. So, remember this password which is required to connect to this virtual machine. Inbound port rules, I am going with all 3, 80, 443 and SSH2. Then click on next. OS disk size, the default is 30 gigabytes. If you change the 64, cost will be increased. Okay, for this demo purpose I am selecting 32 gigabytes. OS disk type I am going with standard. See here, delete with VM. If you delete this virtual machine, this OS disk also will be deleted. If you select this checkbox, remaining options like see here, data disks for this virtual machine. If you want to create and attach a new disk, you have to click on here. If you have an existing one, you have to click on attach existing disk. I don't want any one of them, so click on networking. See, I don't have any virtual network, so it is going to create new virtual network. In the same way, subnet also, it is going to create new. If you want to create new, you have to click on this create new. Then public IP, which is required to connect this virtual machine from internet. Okay, otherwise if you don't want, select none. If you select none, cost will be less. Okay, the remaining options I am not going to change. Then click on next. I am not going to configure any monitoring. If you want login with Microsoft Entra ID, you have to select the checkbox. I don't want, so click on next. If you want to configure alerts, you have to select the checkbox, then you have to configure. I don't want. If you want to provide any custom data, you have to provide here. Otherwise click on tags. I don't want, I'm not going to provide any tags. Click on next and review and create. If you are okay with all these settings, then click on create. If you want to modify, you have to click on this back, or you can select any of these tabs. Okay, so click on I'm okay with the settings, then click on create. I'm going to skip this initializing deployment process. I will resume whenever this virtual machine is ready to use. See, deployment is completed. Now click on go to resource. Wait, it populates the public IP which is required to connect. Click on this copy to clipboard or click on connect, then connect. See, if you have putty installed on your machine, then go to putty, paste that IP, click on open, click on accept, Then provide username. Username is, this is the username, okay, demo user. Then provide the password for this user, which we have provided or given. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the version of this Ubuntu machine. More /etc os-release. See, we are on Ubuntu 24.04.1 LTS. This is the latest version. We are going to install Jenkins on this machine. Go to new tab, type jenkins.io, that it is the official website for Jenkins. Click on download. See, here we have the two types of Jenkins software, stable and weekly releases. We have to install the stable one. Before installing, you have to click on hardware and software requirements. Click on this hardware or software requirements. Then Linux. See, we must have the Java requirement. We must have installed Java. Okay. Click on this Java. See, the supported Java versions are Java 11, 17 or 21. Let us verify. Use Java-version. Java-version. See, Java not found. Okay, we have to install it. So we can run any one of these commands, or simply run this command 17. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. The prerequisite Java is installed. Now go to here. Now we have to download this one. So click on Ubuntu or Debian. See, these are the commands to be executed. So run these commands one by one. Copy this one. See, this both are same. So I'm going to execute these commands. We can get this from, I will keep this link in the video description. Okay, copy this one up to here. This is the first one. Paste it, hit enter. It is success. Now copy up to from this echo to dev null. See, copy entire this one. Better use this one. Copy, paste it. Just right click, it will be pasted. Hit enter. Now update the packages. Sudo apt get update. We have already installed OpenJDK. Anyway, copy it. It will say it is already installed. Paste it. Just you have to copy here. You have to right click on this one. Hit enter. Type A for confirmation. Hit enter. Now install Jenkins by running the command sudo apt get install Jenkins. Hit enter. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. We have successfully installed Jenkins. Now we have to connect to Jenkins. So the IP of this machine is this one. Copy it, paste it, give the :8080. Hit enter. Hit enter. Sudo systemctl status Jenkins. See, Jenkins is up and running. We can get initial password from this file. Okay, so go to quit. See, if you receive this error, you configure DNS name. I'm giving same DNS name. Copy it. See, this will be the full name. Click on save. Go to virtual machine. Refresh. Copy this one. Go to here. Paste it. Give the 8080. Hit enter.
Still, if you are unable to connect, click on network settings, then click on this network security group, then go to inbound security rules, add any custom TCP, click on add. Now go to Jenkins overview, copy this DNS name, paste it, give the port number 8080, hit enter. See, we got this screen. Now we have to get this password, copy this one, go to terminal, hit enter, paste it, give the more, hit enter. See, I don't have permission, so give sudo, then more, then give hit enter. See, this is the same we have when we run this status command. See, we got the same, but anyway, both are same. So just select it, paste here, hit enter. Not now. See, now it is asking us to install suggested plugins or select plugins to install. So click on install suggested plugins. See, we have installed Jenkins 2.46.2. This is the stable version or LTS version. Now we have to create the admin user, or you can simply skip and continue as admin. So I'm going to create admin user, administrator, then provide the password for this administrator, then provide full name. I'm giving administrator only, provide email, then click on save and continue. Not now. See, this is the URL to connect to Jenkins. Copy it, click on save and finish. Start using Jenkins. Even if you close this one, if you open new tab, if you paste that URL, you will be able to connect to the same. Okay. So see, let me show you. Sign out, log out, close this one also. Now open this one, paste that link, enter. You have to bookmark this page. Otherwise, now provide the username. It is administrator, then provide the password. See, not now. If you want to create new item, you have to click on here. If you want to see the build history, you have to click on here. If you want to manage Jenkins, you have to. Okay. If you want to create job, you have to click on here. If you want to set up an agent, you have to click on here. Okay. If you want to configure cloud, you have to click on here. Suppose if you want to manage Jenkins, click on manage Jenkins. See, if you want to system configuration, you have to click on here. If you want to add plugins, you have to click on here. Okay. I'm not going to say. If you want to add nodes, you have to click on these nodes. The remaining options I will create another video. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure Jenkins on Azure Ubuntu 24.04 Virtual Machine. For more Jenkins or cloud videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.